everybody. My name is Bonte Roland Antonio from Cameroon, the project leader of OAC Project. Our project idea was to open astronomy clubs, gender equality and quality education, and to distribute telescopes in some Cameroon schools for partnership with the partners. So the main essence is to solve quality education and gender equality. Let my friend share some of those activities carried out tackling these problems.
The project, hosted by the Astronomy Club of Cameroon, Africa's premier public astronomy organization. This project spanned from February 4th to December 30th of 2021. First off, we had training experts from the Chair of Aerospace Information Technology at the University of Würzburg, Germany. Our project trained advanced university students and some lecturers on a 6-month certified satellite course in 2 Cameroonian universities, the University of Bamenda and the University of Chang, through which they built floating satellites from scratch and got familiar with basic satellite subsystems, and also learn how to develop and test different altitude control algorithms and strategies for satellites in almost frictionless environments similar to that of space. 63 students originally enrolled into the highly competitive program, and 31 of them were successfully completed from both institutions in Cameroon. We would also like to note that this is the very first of its kind competition held in the nation, as such is not stated in our curriculum. Also, 2 of our students later on after the program gained scholarships to study aerospace abroad, while others continue to be change catalysts in the nation. Our technical department also worked with some of the students trained from the satellite workshop to organize a 3-month free workshop for 100 indigenous children. The workshop was based on electronics, which ranged from smoke detectors with alarms, electronics safe with passwords, and soil moisture detectors for gardening. Participants who successfully built prototypes were awarded each certificate at the end of this training workshop, with the aim of the workshop to promote their creative thinking into solving society's problems, not only through astronomy but looking into society around and becoming change catalysts for the nation. Also, we successfully opened 6 astronomy clubs for quality education and gender equality, with a total number of 1,200 active members to date. 2 clubs in universities, 2 in secondary schools, and 2 in primary schools, with the aim to use astronomy as a reference to create awareness and inspire students in STEM education, and giving them the highest level of hunger for knowledge and wisdom to solve the world's most challenging problems. Also, after-school activities in the clubs are after-school astronomy classes, hands-on activities like calculating the rise and set of a star, drawing the map of the moon, solar observation, star parties, and many more. In November 2021, one of our clubs, the ACUB, participated in the International Astronomical Search Campaign (IASC) and discovered 3 preliminary asteroids, putting Cameroon in the map of the League of countries which have made scientific discoveries of asteroids in space. On UN World Environmental Day, June 2021, we planted a total of 400 millennial arboreal trees in the botanical garden of the University of Chang. We believe the voice of astronomers is one of the strongest in protecting our home planet even from man-made disasters. From under the sky, we are habitable and protected by Mother Earth, where we spend time looking through our telescopes, enjoying and viewing astronomical bodies that are not ready to host us. It is right for us to protect our Mother Earth. In total, we visited 45 schools across our national territory, with a minimum population of over 35,000 students, to engage the students and pupils in science through access to astronomical information and communication in the science of astronomy. Students couldn't hold their emotions as they were given the opportunity to know the unknown and to think beyond their limitation. This fascinated their curiosities and desire to know more as they asked a lot of intriguing questions about the origin of humanity and the reasons of life itself. We introduced hot topics like the Big Bang Theory and stimulated their passions to know about the unknown and to have the deep knowledge and love for science, history, and storytelling. It was amazing as we received letters from a good number of the students the next day, in which some were trying to develop their own theories while others were trying to create and formulate to move from one galaxy to another, to escape a black hole, to live on other planets, and many more. As their contribution to science grew, we also distributed astronomical materials like big ideas in astronomy, science glasses, astronomy posters, and telescopes in many of the schools we visited across the national territory of Cameroon. Finally, we organized Cameroon's first ever National Astronomy Contest in partnership with the SSVI, that is the Sterrenstiftung von Aarden, with a total of 150 successful participants that received material and financial prizes, astronomical concepts, and images that have universal appeal, inspiring wonder and resonating uniquely with human questions about nature and our place in the universe. Also, this project Finally, due to this project, our NGO, Cameroon Astronomy and Space Research Organization, CASRO, has been legalized as the first astronomy and space research organization in the nation. Thank you very much for listening.